Welcome to in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first we should open the notification panel, and after that you just should find here somewhere the screen record icon. In my case it's here, and now just click here to start recording, and after that you'll see here the switcher to show touches on our screen. So just to switch on the screen touches, you should click here once on the switcher, and if you wanna just turn off them, you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And after that, just here click to start. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.